Welcome to the session. Today we are going to explore the GenAI technology stack. So in this presentation, we'll be go over different layers of technology stack typically used to build a GenAI application. We are covering the most common vendor for a particular stack, and it is possible there are other additional vendors available in the stack. So let in the next few slides we explore each of the stack. Okay, let's explore the GenAI technology stack. This comprehensive stack illustrates how generative AI applications are built using various layers. These layers encompass everything from infrastructure to the user interface, providing the backbone of advanced AI system. Let us dive into each layer and understand its significance in creating a powerful AI application. First, look at the infrastructure layer. The typical these are like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and on-premises service. This provides the essential cloud and computing power for large-scale AI processing. At the base of the general AI stack is the infrastructure layer, which include AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure, among other cloud solutions. These layers provide the raw computing power and data storage required to run advanced AI models and handle vast databases. So let's look at the data layers. So the data layers is the foundation of any AI system. It houses data storage solution, including single store and Pinecone, which manage vector store databases and data lakes. These are the key feeding massive amount of information into models, which help train and refine AI applications. So typical the vendors are single store, Pinecone, Fiasys, MongoDB, Milvus, Chroma. These are some of the common vendors. There are other vendors, but we just listing what common. Yeah. So this layer we look at the large language model layer. So large language LLM layer include advanced language models such as GPT, LLM, and uh, BERT, etc. These models serve as the heart of AI application, enabling them to understand and generate human-like language. They are essential for any AI stack that involve language comprehension and interaction. The next layer is the API layer. The API layers featuring APIs from OpenAPI and Hugging Face act as the bridge between large models and application developers. It provides a standardized way for developers to integrate language models into their application seamlessly. The few vendors are Hugging Space, um, Cloud AI, and OpenAI, etc. Most of the models, large language, they have API interfaces to um, you can interface with. So application layer. So the framework for building AI developer ecosystem. So there are LangChain, Llama Index, Semantic Kernel, Haystack, and also NVIDIA NIM, etc. are the framework for building AI-driven application systems. So LangChain, so these are which application layer comprise libraries like LangChain and Llama Index, which enable developers to quickly build AI-driven application. This layer simplify complex AI operation, providing pre-built model for tasks such as natural language processing and knowledge retrieval, etc. Let's look at the final layer, which is the user interface layer. The user interface layer is actually a front end to the user, which should give the experience to the user. This layer include web and mobile interfaces, chatbots, and voice assistant that provide seamless user experience powered with technologies such as React, and also we have for a multi-modal application. It could be whatever visual or the voice interfaces we can enable to interface with the backend system seamlessly. So there are some additional points just want to consider outside of this layers is actually the key points considerations are ethical and responsible. So to ensure that the generative AI technology stack align with ethical guidelines and address potential biases. Also, privacy and security. Implement robust measure to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. And then also scalability and performance. Design your stack to handle increasing workloads and ensure optimal performance. And the last, not the least, the cost optimization. Consider cost-effective optimization for hardware, software, and cloud service, which is still very important in the cloud in terms of AI because of the high resource utilization of a GenAI application. So let's recap what we so far learned. So these are the six layers of um, our GenAI application building stack, technology stack, which is infrastructure, data layer, LLM layer, API layer, application layer, and UI layer. So the GenAI technology stack showcase a deep depth and complexity of modern AI system. From the cloud infrastructure at the base of the user interface at the top, each layer plays a crucial role in creating powerful, scalable AI application. Thank you for joining this exploration, and we look forward to seeing how they leverage these technologies in your project. Again, thanks for attending the session.